So I'm checking out this road that goes up to Mowich Lake. And I stopped because it turned to gravel. And I'm coming back down and I noticed this. I didn't see it coming up. I was going a little bit fast to notice it. But this is what's really cool. This is right next to the road. There's just water coming off of the rainforest. And it comes down off the rocks. I bet that water is the cleanest water you could possibly get. It's just awesome, man. The beauty of nature. Someday when I've got millions of dollars, I'll build a pool, and this is the kind of thing I want to put next to the pool. With the ferns growing next to it and everything. It'd be just awesome. All right, see you at the bottom.